Okay, so we're gonna be working on the Venza. Just got the parts in. We're gonna replace those struts. As you can see, these are the original struts that came with the car, 9 years old, and they're leaking, and yeah, it's pretty much seen its last days. So grab a pick tool, something like this, and top one's done. Bottom one now, same thing. Repeat the process. Grab it, pull it out, and just like that, it popped right off. All right, to install them, it's actually pretty easy. So you just align it and just push, and it just clips into place. Done. So pushed in, and now it's secure. Need to repeat the process for this side.